Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga nanood. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po. Armida Padera watching from Katayngan, Masbate. Miss Rock Santiago watching from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Philippines po. Maraming salamat po Maximo Padera watching from Angeles City, Pampanga. Maraming salamat Elias Santiago watching from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Maraming salamat po Orlando Padera watching from Doña Remedios, Bulacan. Maraming salamat po Paulito Padera watching from Marilao, Bulacan. Maraming salamat Mario Santiago watching from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Philippines po. Maraming salamat Jang Shop watching from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Maraming salamat po Sir ER Kabayan PWD Vlog. Maraming salamat Bernard Santiago, Larry Santiago watching from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Philippines po. Maraming salamat po Sir HLJ Karaoke Mix Version sa support. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Shades of Irene watching from England, Australia. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Mitch TV. Balikan ko po kayo mamaya po after po ng aking live presentation. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Love You Me from Ma'am Jeanette Maruyama po ito. Watching from Japan. Ayan. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Irene's Diary for watching at sa pagmamahal po. Highly appreciated po talaga. Watching from UK. Maraming salamat po Sir John Cleo. Kay Ma'am Ria Kabukid po ito. Maraming salamat po sa support. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Starlight. Kay Ma'am Jeanette Maruyama din po ito. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Sky Maruyama. Kay Ma'am Jeanette Maruyama din po ito. Maraming salamat po Ma'am Jeanette Maruyama sa pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. Maraming salamat Sir Leon Maruyama watching from Japan. Maraming salamat Sakura Maruyama from Japan. Maraming salamat Ma'am May Maruyama from Japan. Maraming salamat Blue Droid from Japan. Maraming salamat Ma'am Luzminda Aquino from USA. Maraming salamat po Sir ER Kabayan PWD Vlog for watching. That's all for today's live presentation. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal.